All right, so what are some things you notice about the formulas and the names? So, yeah, the second name in this case always ends in IDE. So, let's take a look at some of those. First off, we're talking about ionic compounds, so we have cations and anions. What is that second name? Is it the cation or the anion? You should notice that it's the nonmetal, it's the anion. So nonmetals form anions. So if we take a look at some of these nonmetals, chlorine with a -1 oxidation state becomes what? Chloride, IDE. Oxygen, O-2, becomes oxide. N-3 becomes nitride. So, whenever we have a nonmetal off the periodic table picking up the electrons it wants to abide by the octet rule, it will always form or always have an IDE ending in the name. Now, what about the cation?
Wait, don't nonmetals usually add electrons?
Yeah. Nonmetals pick up the electrons, add the electrons.
So when they're negative?
Yeah.
I thought,
Cl -1,
wait, I got them.
O -2,
And
N -3. They're all anions, so they're picking up electrons. They're becoming negative. What about the cations, though? The name is the same. So, Li plus, the name's the same. It's lithium. Mg plus 2, the name's the same. It's magnesium. So, 2 rules. What do you think they are? First rule. How about name the cation? Simple enough. What do you think rule number 2 is? Name the anion. What you'll notice in a couple slides, not all of your anions end in IDE. So it's much simpler to just say name the anion because some of your anions may have different suffixes than the IDE suffix.